Atirani kiumbe kia Safaricom M-Pesa Foundation ni emogoroba ya rero baina na bene konda isani shilingi milioni 50 na isano guchiase ubwagachi wa magache kerero ase skuru y'oburuso ya Nyankororo eriguchikoreta okororekana okuya gukwana ekerekyo arika nigo alireira y'oguchikwende kibuna ebirasi ebyo bichikoba ekiorokererio guchiase Chisemi chinde imeye bunge iyo ya Nyaribari chache nonya nabo munyakonda nigalireira y'oguchigwikirania emireme iyo inse yemetinye 5 kurubono
tole no mogoko monene ase tikolia rero ase Safaricom M-Pesa Foundation mbarwete irangango gachabale skuru ya Nyankororo banyetagole yonsi ero sigwe ase role model yeskuru igo nko bakiranga mbiyamono ase tikolia rero bachire ne contractor egochaka korosia amagacho iyongo saba bantu baminto project yeyiga yekoira side shilingi milioni 55 igo chindoto chiritwale wekera chekiranire igo gochaka mambye contractor nere site na abantu bekenyoraka bali mu bwato muchanga bali mutete gasi na mugocha mwa apply gwetire skuru egere egasi eyo etoke ekorwe.
We would ensure that the timelines has already been set by the M-Pesa Foundation, which is 8 months. We will actually adhere to that, and most importantly, all the laid procedures, especially on standards, we will strictly adhere to everything, and actually we will deliver the project within the timelines and to the best of our ability.
Kerangambia mono ase Safaricom Foundation asa kwatantro muradi oyo guko aje skuru yeto ya Nyankororo na batatebirie batokore induction batabirie skuru yeto gotagoro yonse bebekunze, and in the next 8 months this project will be done. The project is costing 55 million. Our MCST varika go wakerangambia mono talibande bonsi gabali kunyara kurambale bakabaikere ebintu binebi binde tali kunyara gwikera lakini asinge njo mu MC ito anjite ward yaito na constituency ya Nyaribari na giaka muradi yo ikirega
bia mono ase M-Pesa Foundation asa gotoretere project ye ya 55 million eyira konya abana baito tonyara kunyora abana bayakuru ase skuru eturanyare ko baranyare ko genderia ase Kinyoro. A project ye nigera abantu abange nigo baranyare kuru ase community abara cyo koremera munga lakini go ikakero yomo amiti te standard eyabe gutune contractor na M-Pesa Foundation.
And here we are through the ECD class we are able to get other levels in this school. The SNE, which was totally not there, those kids were really suffering, and then also there was we also needed good conducive learning environment in the primary section and the JSS section, whereby we were less with even the physical facilities, the toilets, the kitchen was not there. But now we are happy that our school is going to shine, and because of the lack of infrastructure and the condition of the school, people who are running away to other schools.